Hey there, having trouble with Apple Pay? Want to know how to fix Apple Pay not working payment method? You've come to the right place. Apple Pay is a convenient and secure way to make payments using your Apple devices. However, there are times when it may not work as expected. In this guide, we'll walk you through some straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve issues with your Apple Pay payment method. Let's dive in and get your Apple Pay up and running smoothly. Step 1. Check your device compatibility. Before diving into troubleshooting, ensure that your device is compatible with Apple Pay. Not all devices support this feature. Apple Pay generally works with iPhone 6 and later models, Apple Watch, iPad Pro, and Mac models with Touch ID. If your device is compatible, proceed to the next steps. Step 2. Verify software updates. Running outdated software can cause Apple Pay to malfunction. Check for any pending updates on your iPhone or iPad. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap on General. 3. Select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Keeping your device updated can solve many underlying issues affecting Apple. Step 3. Confirm Apple Wallet setting. Ensure that Apple Pay is set up correctly in your Apple Wallet. 1. Open the Wallet app. 2. Check if your credit or debit card is added. 3. If not, tap the plus symbol to add your card by following the on-screen instructions. Ensure that the card information is entered accurately. If your card is already added, try removing it and adding it back. Step 4. Check for connection issues. Apple Pay requires a stable internet connection to process payments. Ensure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. 1. Swipe down from the right-hand corner of your screen to open the Control Center. 2. Check that Wi-Fi or cellular data is enabled. If you're experiencing a weak signal, move to an area with better reception or connect to another Wi-Fi network. Step 5. Review Face ID, Touch ID settings. Your Face ID or Touch ID settings might be causing the issue. To check, 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap on Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. 3. Ensure that Apple Pay is enabled. Re-register your Face ID or Touch ID if necessary, as this can sometimes solve authentication issues with Apple Pay. Step 6. Contact your bank or card issuer. If you've made it this far and Apple Pay is still not working, the issue might be with your bank or card issuer. Contact them to verify 1. If there are any blocks or restrictions on your account. 2. That your card is supported by Apple Pay. They may need to authorize your card for contactless payments. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Apple Pay not working payment method and get back to making seamless transactions. From checking device compatibility and software updates to ensuring correct card information and stable connectivity, these solutions cover the most common issues users face with Apple Pay. Remember to always prioritize your security by keeping your software up to date and only using trusted Wi-Fi networks. If the problem persists, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for further assistance. Safe and happy payments with Apple Pay await you.